What's up, YouTube? This is Mo Trades. Okay, this is a quick update after hours. Sydney just opened about an hour ago and it gave us some action. As you can see, this is on the daily chart that Bitcoin, ever since the pump from the 3rd of July till today, we've recovered 50% using the fib retracement. You can see we're down to zero point 0.5. That's 50% of the whole entire move. We could come down to the 0.618 and get a good bounce. That's the golden pocket. Other than that, at the moment, if you look at the 15-minute chart, let's get rid of these fib retracement levels. You could see that Bitcoin has been forming a range and quite respected range, and you could have traded it to the downside or to the upside, and you could have made at least 2% move up, 2% move down, which would be nice. And the way we trade this is at the bottom of the range would be trying to take a long with stop loss somewhere at the bottom below the range or somewhere below this wick, and at the top of the range would be looking for a long position. It depends on your risk tolerance and your position size, so don't go too big that the stop loss would cost you so much, or if you're going in a big size, then keep your stop losses tight. That's my opinion. Let's see how it goes when Tokyo opens in about an hour. That's where the action starts, in about an hour. So you can set your positions and be ready for that. At the moment, it looked like it was moving up, but it's turning down again. Always use stop loss and EMAs, but that's a simple trading strategy. Whenever you see a price range being formed, a parallel channel or a rising channel, you only need about three pivot points to set the channel. Then you trade it accordingly. And in addition to that, you could see that we're bouncing off exactly from a Fibonacci level that I had for so long now. I think I showed it in an earlier video. There we are. So if you look at this, at the moment, I'll get rid of this parallel channel. You can see the pink line. This is on the daily, so let's go on a smaller time frame, on the 15-minute time frame. You see that we hit the pink line once, twice, 3 touches. We had 3 touches over here. We could have a 4th touch, but it seems like it's trying to tank downwards. And if we start going downwards, as I told you earlier, if we lose the 20,500, that's very critical. 20,700 is the first level, then the 20,300 to 20,500 is another level. We do have this green trend line that comes from the top over here. The peak that we had set ever since we dropped down, we set this peak at around 22.5, and it's been descending ever since. And we broke out of it, and it could be a support because it was resistance earlier, and it could be support. The price for this at the moment, if this candle comes right down to this green trend line and tests it for support, it could go a bit lower and pump back up at around 20,398. If we look at the entire move up from down here, from when we started our pump from here to the top over here, using the fib retracement, you'll see that the 0.618 lies at around 20,152. So that's another point you should be aware of. So if it starts moving down, don't think that's it. We're moving down totally. We could have a bounce, a crazy bounce. Tokyo is known for having big moves. Trade safe. I hope all of you are making profits. If not, cut your losses, make your losses to a minimum. The point of this is to make profits and minimize loss. You will not win every trade. Even the greatest traders lose trades, but we can reduce our losses by not FOMOing in. Just in every trade, you don't have to trade so many trades in a day. You could trade 3 or 4 good trades in a day. If you're not making profit in 2, 3, 4 trades, then you should just step back for the day, or go take a walk or something and come back refreshed and maybe look for an entry. Don't go into every entry. I was able to make 100% profit today. I entered at around this position. It was around here. I saw the rejection. I didn't enter right away. This is on the hourly. I entered somewhere here. At this point, 20,100, 20,300, 20,200 actually. I entered the short, and I'm still in that short. I didn't close my short, and I moved my stop losses into making a bit of profit just to anticipate a move up. So I'm in a safe side. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comments, I appreciate the comments. Anyone who comments, and share my videos. More trades.